Good morning class. Hope you are doing well beta. As you all know, in the previous videos we have completed our exercise 18.1. Today we will discuss the solution of exercise 18.2. In the first question we have to plot the given ordered pair on the Cartesian plane. Okay. To represent this ordered pair on the Cartesian plane, first of all you have to make a Cartesian plane like this. Okay beta. This is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, and then you have to mark the point on the x-axis and y-axis on the both side of origin, left side also and right side also. Left side you will mark the negative and on the right side you will mark the positive point. In the same way, on y-axis, on the upward direction you will mark the positive number, and on the right down side you will mark the negative number. Okay. So first of all, your first point is -2 and 7. As you know, the first number represent the value of x coordinate and second one represent the value of y coordinate. Okay. So the value of x coordinate is -2. So look at this. This is your -2 on x axis, and you have to move along this -2 on the upward direction until you get the 7 on y axis. So we will move on this line up to 7. So this point is your -2 and 7. So this is the representation of ordered pair -2 and 7 on the number line. If we have to say in which quadrant this number is lying, this is your first quadrant, this is your second, this is your third, and this is your fourth. So this ordered pair lies in the second quadrant. Okay. I hope you will get how you have to represent an ordered pair on the Cartesian plane. Let's take one more example. The second one, 6 and 1. This is your x coordinate again, this is your y coordinate. So on the x axis you have to goes on 6. So this is your 6. Okay. And on the y axis you have to find 1. So in the direction of this 6 you have to move upward up to 1. So this particular point is your 6 and 1. So this is the way by which you have to represent all the remaining point on the Cartesian coordinate plane. I hope you will be able to represent these point on the Cartesian plane. Okay beta. So this is the way to solve your question number first. Question number second, question number third are same like your first question. Try to solve them by yourself. We will do the fourth and fifth question now. Okay. So look at the question number 4th beta. Write down the abscissa of the following point. In the fourth question you have to write the abscissa value, and in the fifth question you have to write the ordinate value. As you know, abscissa is the value of x coordinate and ordinate is the value of y coordinate. Okay beta. So x coordinate means the value in the ordered pair written on the first place is your abscissa, and the value written on the second place in the ordered pair is your ordinate. Okay. So look at these questions. We will do both questions simultaneously. Zero and 5. A part of fourth question and a part of fifth question is this. In this you have to write the abscissa. Abscissa means first value on the ordered pair. This is first value and this is second. So abscissa is 0. In this ordinate is -16. If you have to write the ordinate, write the second place value of the ordered pair, and if you have to write the abscissa, write only the first value of the ordered pair. In the B, abscissa is 8, in the C, abscissa is -14. Same in the B part your ordinate is 0 and in the C part your ordinate is -5. So this is the way how you have to solve your question number 4th and 5th. I hope you will get it. Thank you and have a nice day.